Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss one question from pressure in physics. Question is determine height h of oil in the U-tube as shown alongside in the figure, in which density of oil is 0.9 gram per cubic centimeter, that is cc. Density of liquid is 1.6 gram per cc, and density of mercury equals to 13.6 gram per cm cubed. Now this is the U-tube. Okay, here you find A to B. This is the height h centimeter in which oil is kept, and this is CD height, which is 20 centimeter in which the liquid is there, and rest portion mercury is there. Okay, now the solution is, we know that in equilibrium state the pressure of liquid at the same level must be equal. Taking pressure at level C in both arms of U-tube, we have pressure due to h centimeter of oil plus pressure due to 20 minus h centimeter of mercury, that is equals to pressure of 20 centimeter of liquid. And you know that formula, that pressure equals to h rho g, where P for pressure, h is for height, rho is for density, g is for acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so here you have to keep in mind the liquid height is 20 centimeter. This will equalize the pressure of the oil plus pressure of the mercury, which is, that means mercury pressure's height will be 20 minus s centimeter, because liquid height is total 20 centimeter and here s centimeter is oil height. So remaining height will be 20 minus h, and that will be mercury height. So that mercury pressure plus oil pressure, that will be equal to liquid pressure. So here we have written pressure due to s centimeter of oil plus pressure due to 20 minus s centimeter of mercury equals to pressure of 20 centimeter of liquid. So according to formula, h into 0.9 into z, oil density is given 0.9. Okay, and mercury is, height is 20 minus h into, and density is 13.6 into g, and that is equals to liquid height is 20 centimeter, density is 1.6 into z. Now here g we are taking common, and then we have 0.9h plus 20 minus h into 13.6 into g equals to 32 into g. Now g and g both are cancelled. After taking common, we will cancel it. And then we have 0.9h plus, and now here 20 into 13.6, we have 272 minus 13.6 into h is 13.6h, that is equals to 32. Now 0.9h minus 13.6h, we subtract and we get minus 12.7h. So we have 272 minus 12.7h, that is equals to 32. Now this 32 comes left side, so 272 minus 32 equals to 12.7h. This comes right side, and therefore h equals to, after subtracting we get 240, and 240 equals to 12.7h. Therefore h equals to 240 by 12.7. After removing the decimal we get 2400 by 127, and then by dividing we get 18.9 centimeter, and this is the answer. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.